In this video, you will learn how to cancel your Gear Up Booster subscription. Log into the Gear Up Booster website or app. Use the account credentials to access your profile, then your subscription settings. Go to the account settings, navigate to configure or account settings section where subscriptions and renewal settings are located. Locate the cancel auto renewal button. If your membership is active, look for the cancel auto renewal button alongside your billing cycle. Cancel at least 3 days before the billing date. Click the cancel button and confirm your request. Be sure to do this at least 3 days before your next charge to avoid being billed. Alternatively, email support for your order details. If the cancel option is unavailable, choose the renewal date. Email Gear Up Booster support, including your full name, ID and phone number, requesting a manual cancellation. Receive confirmation and maintain access until the term ends. Once you have cancelled, your subscription will remain active until your current billing cycle will end. You will get confirmation email with your final access date. Now you know how to cancel your Gear Up Booster subscription. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.